A few days ago, almost nobody was talking about OpenClaw. Today, it's suddenly everywhere. Developers are sharing it, open source communities are debating it, and some existing tools are already being questioned. So what changed? In this video, I'm not doing a demo or hype. I want to show you why OpenClaw took off so fast, what problem it actually solves, and whether this is something developers should really care about or just another short-lived trend. What OpenClaw actually is. Here's the important part. OpenClaw is not another chatbot. It's an AI agent, and that difference matters more than it sounds. Most AI tools today live inside a chat box. You ask a question, it answers. You copy-paste, repeat. OpenClaw doesn't work like that. It runs outside the chat window. It can read files, run commands, schedule tasks, track state, and keep working even when you're not watching. That alone changes how developers think about using AI, why developers are paying attention. Over the last few weeks, something interesting happened. GitHub stars started climbing fast. People began running OpenClaw on small servers, some even on Raspberry Pis sitting in closets. Not because it looks cool, but because it keeps going. You don't prompt it and walk away. You give it responsibility, and that's uncomfortable in a very developer-specific way. Reactive versus persistent AI. Most AI tools are reactive. You ask, they respond, they forget. OpenClaw is persistent. It lives on your machine, or a VPS, or wherever you decide to run it. It remembers what happened yesterday, why something failed last week, and what it's already tried. That means you stop using it like a search engine and start treating it like a system, where it gets interesting. Once OpenClaw is running, you can connect it to real things: your terminal, your email, your scripts, your calendar, your messaging apps. Instead of checking systems manually, OpenClaw checks them for you. Instead of reacting to problems, it waits for them. This is the shift, from AI that answers questions to AI that runs processes. And yes, this immediately caused controversy. Naming debates, legal noise, think pieces about how this is dangerous, which happens every time AI moves closer to real work. But OpenClaw doesn't create new power. It removes friction. It takes tasks developers already do and lets software handle them continuously. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. It needs guardrails. It can make bad assumptions. You should never give it full access and disappear. But that's true for junior engineers too. The difference is, this one doesn't forget what you told it last month. The real question. So no, this isn't the end of developers, and it's not magic, but it is a shift from chatbots to always-on agents. And once you experience that, going back to pure prompting feels inefficient. The real question for 2026 isn't, should I use AI? It's, how much of my work am I willing to delegate? Because OpenClaw isn't here to chat. It's here to work.